This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. See, in this example, what I am going to do is I am going to read my file character by character.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
In the previous example, we have read the whole file content with one single go. So through open method, we will open the file, and while opening there are two arguments. First is the file name and second is the file opening modes. We have learnt it in the previous lecture. Now see, f(obj) is equal to open, the first argument name of the file, and second argument file opening mode, which is R. You could also write T. T stands for text mode, but it's optional. Okay, now we will be applying nested loops. What we are going to do is, let me remind you, we are going to read character by character. So these are nested loops, right? Now outer loop will read line by line, and inner loop will read character by character from the current line. Okay, so far so good. So this is my outer loop for line in f(obj). As far as okay, let me show you the file. This is our file. Okay, so what will happen is, for the first time when this outer loop will work for line in f(obj), it will pick up the first line. This is the first line, which says I am Anand Mahajan, I run a computer institute. This whole line will be picked up, right? Now for ch in line, so this is our inner loop. So current line is this one. What this loop will do is, it will pick up the characters one by one. It will pick I, then space, because space is also a character, then A, then M, then space, and it will keep printing it, print ch for ch in line. Similarly, once the on the same lines, when the inner loop is completed, it will go up and pick up the second line. Which is the second line? Now this is the second turn of the outer loop. It will pick up the second line, and the inner loop will keep reading character by character. I, then space, then A, then M. I am talking about inner loop. So it is reading character by character from the current line, and current line this time over is the second line. This is how it will work. Let me execute the program. Control Shift F10. Yeah, this is the output. You can see it has read character by character, as you can see. There are so many characters, as you can see, I, space, and so again have a look at this program. File was opened in read mode. It was a text file. After that, for line in f(obj) is the outer loop that will keep reading line by line. Then for ch in line will read character by character from the current line, and that character will be printed. So the inner loop will go on until the current line is completed. Then it will go up, it will pick up the second line. Again the inner loop will go on until the second line is completed. It will go on like this till the end of the file. Thank you.